Demand in the beach cities just keeps going up. Inventory is still incredibly low compared to last year. And another home with a spectacular view topped the charts of this week's high sale of the week in one of Dana Point's most loved neighborhoods. Let's break down what's happening in this real estate market. Stick around to the end for a rare single level deal of the week you don't want to miss. I'm Simon Guy, and welcome to this week's Beach Cities Market Update, where we talk all things real estate here in Dana Point, San Clemente, San Juan Capistrano, and Laguna Niguel. If this is your first video, welcome. We'd love to have you follow along. We help you stay on top of the market and strategize to make sure that you win here in the beach cities. This week's high sale of the week was 23711 Brisbane. This was on the beach side of PCH in Niguel Shores, which is one of the best neighborhoods in Dana Point. It is loved for its private access to Strands Beach, the bluff top park where everyone gathers in the evenings for the sunset, its incredible amenities from the clubhouse to the giant pool, the workout places, pickleball courts, tennis courts. Niguel Shores has it all. If you like to have golf cart living at its best in Dana Point, Niguel Shores is a great neighborhood to be in. This home was a 2,800 square foot home with a giant ocean view, and it sold for $6 million. Let's jump into the beach cities numbers that matter, because again this week our inventory grew just a little bit by 7 homes up to 404 active listings across all price points. But demand, the number of homes that are currently under contract with an accepted offer from a buyer, grew even more, up to 197 properties. Compare that to this very same week last year, we had 527 active listings and 180 properties currently in escrow at this moment last year. So demand is up, but supply is way down, making this a tighter, hotter market where we're still seeing multiple offers on homes that are in good condition, priced correctly, and marketed really well. But this trend is unique. This is something that's just happening here in South Orange County. It's not happening across Orange County or the nation. If you look at Orange County as a whole market or national numbers at large, you're going to see that this year is relatively flat. Exactly where we are today is roughly where we were last year at this time. Why is it that the South Orange County Beach Cities market is hotter than everywhere else? Well, the rest of the world found our sweet little bubble here on the south tip of Orange County and have started to realize that if you're going to live in California, this is the very best spot to be, because, well, it's just better. We have less traffic, great beaches, the best climate, and each one of our little cities here has its very own culture, and so it's got a spot for everybody. In the mortgage world, rates remain elevated. Today's mortgage rate is 6.7% on the national average on a 30-year mortgage. Of course, I have great lenders that can save you money on that, though. And I want you to know that rates today are extremely sensitive to everything that's happening in the Iranian war conflict. If we continue to see that war last longer, then most likely we're going to watch rates continue to climb. If we get some great news, make a deal happen, please make a deal happen, and then we're going to see the mortgage rates drop significantly, where I would guess that we end up somewhere, if the war was gone today, I think we would be in the high 5s. I don't know if it's going to get there overnight if we get a deal to happen. Most likely it'll come down a significant chunk though, and then flutter back down to that 6 or high 5 range. But as it continues longer, we're more likely to see a hike, even with our new Fed chair. We're more likely to see a hike in the Fed rate and thus increasing mortgage rates in the near future if this Iranian conflict continues much longer. So while the beach cities market remains hot right now, the wild card is mortgage rates and the Iranian war conflict. Our deal of the week this week is a property that I'm so excited to tell you about. It's one that I've known is coming eventually for about a year now. It's 10 Via Palacio, San Clemente. I put it on the market this morning. That's right, it's our listing. It's a single level, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, plus an office, about 1,900 square feet, located in a beautiful gated neighborhood here in San Clemente. This is a very hard product for you choosy buyers to find. If you're looking for a $1.5 million home that's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, all on one level in a gated neighborhood, well, there aren't very many out there. So if you have any interest in seeing this one, get a hold of me before it's gone. We're going to be holding it open on May 30th. That's Saturday, May 30th. Come out and take a look. That's a wrap on this week's Beach Cities Market Update. Mortgage rates remain a little bit high. Demand keeps growing. Supply is still low. And South Orange County is the spot everybody wants to be. If you have questions on how to win in real estate, reach out to me. Get on my calendar through the link in my bio. I look forward to helping you win in real estate.